Igwe Ekpe said that among major components of the nation, Igbos are not carried along, saying that it is the bane of development in the country as the Igbo is blessed with intelligence, while calling on the Igbo to forge a united front, speak with one voice, and promote their rich cultural heritage. Igwe Ekpe promised that for MTN to partner his kingdom on the Iguaro ceremony, he will continue to promote the services offered by MTN in the community and beyond.
Even so, kuna Nigeria bo iwele ewo kwana iwogolo nkege iwogolo nkodo ozo o dey even so abi you are work work ka go mba arugunu some landmarks when mo even in adem na Nigeria in agwasi no nwere onye Igbo ya dey qualified to be at the head o nwere ibe nwere Igbo to siri mo ibe ni na ba nwere Igbo intelligent people all over the world. We're engineers, we're everything. But can we speak in one language? The answer is no. And that's why we're held down.
Earlier, Mr. Tobechukwu Okibo, who is the head of corporate relations for MTN, said that they decided to pay the visit on the traditional ruler to commiserate with the community over the sudden loss of one of the major organizers of the Iguaro. Mr. Okibo, while emphasizing that MTN's support to Enugwu is unflinching, pledged commitment to service provision, promising to address ailing aspects of their services due to the undulating nature of the terrain, while pointing out that due to challenges, they are gradually stopping several interventions all over the country. He pointed out that MTN is all about connecting people, expressing optimism that the good relationship which they have with community will continue.
Nri is the seat of the Igbo nation, of the Igbo culture. And MTN has a history of connecting to the people, not just through bringing them together through its services, but connecting to them where it's really counts, which is connecting to their roots. So we support the Iguaro and we partner with the Igwe Umunre as the traditional seat of the Igbo nation. So it's our privilege to be given the honor to support this festival.
The President General of Enugwu, Chief Boni Ozonkwako, thanked MTN for supporting the community's efforts at making the society a better place.
Ija anyị na MTN dị ija akpọrọ na abụ nkọlọkọta were kene melo bi arụ ija anyị no bo olutuwo ogugwu eke olutuwo no sike akpọ alabat isi akpọ habat maka na alabat na habat bụ ejima ya na ihe anyị na-emelu unu ya na-emela anyị nke anyị ọwụ na nwere ibe ọzọ ụlọ ebe anụrụ m na isi na arụ na-abịa na ngabazia na MTN ya ozi akatamkpo ibe na-emere egwu ya na-abụ gịnị akatamkpo.
A special book about institutions in Enugwu, Nri, among others, was presented to the MTN executives. The member representing Njikoka 1 constituency in the State House of Assembly, Mr. Tim Ifediorama, cabinet members, among others, were also present. Recall that the colloquium, part of the series of activities for the 2018 Iguaro, scheduled to hold yesterday, was cancelled due to the sudden demise of the former President General of Enugwu Development Union and the present chairman of Iguaro Commission, Chief PJC Nwokafo, as mark of respect to the departed. From Enugwu in Njikoka Council area, Ejike Abana, ABS News.